Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top health trends and life hacks of 2025 that you absolutely need to know about. From cutting-edge gadgets to ancient wellness practices reimagined for the modern age, we're separating the hype from the truly helpful. We're talking about the stuff that can really make a difference in your life, whether it's boosting your energy, sharpening your focus, or just feeling your absolute best. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to level up your health game, because we're about to break it all down in plain English. No medical jargon here. Stay tuned till the end for some game-changing tips. Alright guys, let's talk tech wearable health tech. Remember when a smartwatch just told time and tracked steps? Those days are long gone. Now they're like having a doctor on your wrist, analyzing heart rate, tracking sleep, monitoring blood sugar. They use AI for personalized insights, but remember, it's easy to get obsessed. Focus on the big picture and consult a real doctor for serious concerns. Okay, let's talk food. We all know that what we eat impacts our health, but what if you could get a personalized nutrition plan based on your unique DNA and gut microbiome? By analyzing your genes and gut bacteria, these plans can pinpoint what foods fuel your body best. Think you might have a gluten sensitivity? Your DNA test can tell you. It's about understanding how foods interact with your biology, so if you're curious, it's worth exploring. But remember, the fundamentals of a healthy diet still apply. Plenty of fruits, veggies, lean protein, and whole grains. Let's be real, sometimes getting to the gym is a struggle. But that's where the beauty of virtual fitness classes comes in. Gone are the days of needing a gym membership to access top-notch fitness instruction. Now, you can break a sweat with world-class trainers right from your living room, your backyard, or even your hotel room when you're traveling. Whether you're into high-intensity interval training, yoga, Pilates, dance cardio, or even kickboxing, there's a virtual class out there for you. Many platforms offer personalized workout plans, and even allow you to track your progress, keeping you motivated and accountable. Create a dedicated workout space, even if it's just a corner of your living room, and eliminate distractions as much as possible. Consistency is key. Just like with going to the gym, the magic happens when you make virtual fitness classes a regular part of your routine. We all know that taking care of our mental health is just as important as taking care of our physical health, right? But sometimes, finding the time for therapy or even just carving out a few minutes for mindfulness can feel impossible. That's where mental health apps come in. They put the power of self-care right in your pocket. Imagine this. You're feeling overwhelmed by stress. So you pull out your phone, open an app, and within seconds, you're guided through a calming meditation. Or maybe you're struggling with anxiety and need someone to talk to, so you connect with a licensed therapist through a video chat feature. These apps offer a wide range of tools and resources, from guided meditations and breathing exercises to cognitive behavioral therapy exercises and mood tracking. Now, it's important to remember that these apps shouldn't replace traditional therapy for serious mental health conditions. But they can be incredibly valuable tools for managing stress, improving sleep, and building healthy coping mechanisms. Let's talk about sleep, that glorious time when our bodies and minds recharge and repair themselves. But let's be honest, in today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep can feel like an elusive dream. That's where biohacking for better sleep comes in. It's like upgrading your sleep game with science-backed strategies. Remember those cool wearable health trackers? Many of them can track your sleep patterns, giving you valuable insights into your sleep quality and duration. Think blue light blocking glasses to reduce your exposure to sleep-disrupting blue light emitted from electronic devices. Consider investing in a sleep tracking mat that monitors your heart rate, breathing, and movement throughout the night. And let's not forget about the power of creating a relaxing bedtime routine, like taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing gentle stretches. Sleep is not a luxury, it's essential for our physical and mental health. So if you're tired of feeling tired, it's time to become a sleep biohacker and unlock the power of a truly restful night. Okay, let's talk about food again, but this time, let's focus on the power of plants. Plant-based diets have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They're not only good for our health, but they're also good for the planet. But before we dive in, let's clear up one thing. Plant-based doesn't necessarily mean vegan or vegetarian. It simply means emphasizing whole, unprocessed plant foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Plus, they're packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health and well-being. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits. By choosing plant-based options, you're reducing your environmental footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week, experiment with new recipes, and have fun with it. Fasting might sound a little extreme, right? But trust me on this one. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself, it's about strategically timing your meals to give your body a break from constant digestion and allow it to tap into its natural healing processes. When you fast, your body shifts into fat-burning mode, using stored fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and even cellular repair. There are many different ways to practice intermittent fasting, from the popular 16-8 method to alternate day fasting. The key is to find a method that works for your lifestyle and preferences. And remember, it's important to break your fast with healthy, nutritious foods to replenish your body and support your metabolism. Intermittent fasting isn't for everyone, so it's always best to consult with your doctor before making any major changes to your eating patterns. Remember the days when seeing a doctor meant taking time off work, battling traffic, and sitting in a crowded waiting room? Well, thanks to the rise of telemedicine, those days are quickly becoming a thing of the past. Telemedicine uses technology to connect patients with healthcare providers remotely, allowing you to have virtual appointments via video chat, phone call, or even text message. This means you can now consult with your doctor from the comfort of your own home, office, or even while you're traveling. Many specialists, including dermatologists, cardiologists, and even therapists, are now offering virtual consultations. Telemedicine isn't meant to replace in-person care entirely. There are still some situations where a physical examination is necessary, but for many routine appointments and consultations, telemedicine offers a convenient, accessible, and often more affordable way to access quality healthcare. You've probably heard me talk about the gut microbiome before, but it's so important that it deserves its own chapter. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that play a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Think of your gut microbiome as a complex ecosystem that influences everything from your digestion and immunity to your mood, sleep, and even your skin health. When your gut microbiome is in balance, it's like a well-oiled machine keeping everything running smoothly. A diet rich in fiber found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes acts like a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut. And fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are natural sources of probiotics, which introduce live beneficial bacteria into our gut. It's also about managing stress, getting enough sleep, and avoiding unnecessary antibiotics, which can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut microbiome. Let's be honest, we all want healthy, radiant skin, right? And while a good skincare routine is essential, sometimes we need a little extra help from technology to achieve our skincare goals. From at-home LED light therapy devices that target acne, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation to smart mirrors that analyze your skin and recommend personalized product recommendations, the future of skincare is here. Imagine this, you're getting ready for bed, and instead of slathering on a bunch of different creams and serums, you simply hold a sleek device over your face for a few minutes, allowing the power of LED light therapy to work its magic. Many of these devices are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible, making it easier than ever to incorporate high-tech skincare solutions into your routine. But remember, even with the most advanced technology, consistency is key. No device can replace the importance of a good skincare routine, including cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. That's it for our deep dive into the most exciting health trends of 2025. Remember, staying healthy is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about finding what works for you and making sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep prioritizing your well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found these trends and life hacks helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay healthy, and see you next time.